Funtime Production.
And we're replacing the battery today. Can't just come out this way on a Ford Focus SE. Show you. What? You can lift up on this cable, push this out. Look at that. All you gotta do is literally lift that up and lift them really both up. Use a screwdriver so that way we can get that battery out. So check it out. Give us a thumbs up on Funtime Production. I'm the creator and a video editor of this video program. And you drop it back down. Look at that. Now these walls are open for this battery to come out. So here we go. We're going in for that negative terminal, but it is under a cowl. I could take the cowl off, but there's a couple more screws. So 10 millimeter. Yeah, buddy. Always away. Let's have fun after work is done. It's a sin not to have fun. Since I got it loose now, I just gotta, come on. Scoochy, scoochy, there you are. But that could stay there for now. Yeah. So I gotta scoot you back. See what I'm doing. Let's try this. There we go. Pop it out. Alright, let's see. So I got it out, see, but what I did is I pulled this up a bit more and then yanked it a bit forward. I also took this little thing off for this cable, but I just gave it some more leverage, just enough to vertically lift it right up. It is a bit heavy. So basically leverage, tilt it up and lift it up and out. Maybe even leverage off this if you can, but I wouldn't because it's plastic. It might break. So use leverage, keep your back straight and pull. I decided to clean it out in here. Put it in there, but you have to go like vertical, maybe. Vertical and bam. All right, leverage. And go ahead and clean these off before I go ahead. So, brush, baking soda. Put it right here. Now I'm gonna do it above this box since it's plastic protecting everything. Get some of that in there now. Here. A lot more cleaner. Look at that. In there. There was like corrosion on this one. Yes, I could do this. Yes, I could do this. Yes, I can do this. Wipe it up a bit. Why not? Whew. Thank goodness. We learn something new every day. I thought so. Anyway, yeah, back to what I was doing, because this one still needs to be dried off. See that wetness? Well, I'm not gonna wipe this off. Oh, be careful not to jiggle the hardware out of this thing. Now it's dry. It's dry enough. Lord be my helper. And we got the 10 millimeter wrench. So now we can put this one on. There it goes. Bam. Easy as that. I don't want to touch it, but you can. See? But it could probably give you static once right when you tap, put it on the terminal. You might get a little. You're fine. it's already in. See, now might as well wipe it off. Might as well crack it. Go this way, since you can see all the stuff. Hi. Oh. Give us a thumbs up on Funtime Production. Hope you learn something new in a fun way. Have a fun time. Cable in there. There's a slot there. Then you can put this on over the box. And it should pop right in like so. And you should know it's in when this is right up to these lips now. There it is. That's it. Funtime Production. See? This goes in and clips down. That's it. Funtime Production. Subscribe. Give us a like.